Vicky and I have been in the van for the last couple of days, and I just got back from a run, so I'm absolutely gross. We're both going to take a shower using the InstaShower Go by Fogatti, so I'm going to quickly show you how to use it. First step is to screw in the propane tank. Next step is to plug in the hot water. It's a super simple quick connect. Plugged in, and now I'm going to attach the shower head. You simply screw in the shower head like this, and the shower head comes in with a hook, but it also comes with a magnetic system so you can attach to any part of your van. Next step is to plug in your fuel pump. So the system comes with your attachment end and the electronic piece to operate the fuel pump. The fuel pump simply just goes into your water source, which I have ours sitting right here. But first I'm going to do the quick connect here, just like this, and then I'll unscrew my water bucket. Fogatti also sells a water tank, a foldable water tank. That's a great way to do this. You can also fill up a bucket. You can use your freshwater tanks that you have. Ours fits right in our freshwater tank here. So I just kind of slide it right in to the water. I have the quick connected in, and then I simply attach the power source, and then I can turn on the system. Once the system's powered on, it'll display the temperature. You can actually control how hot or cold you want the water by here. So I turn on the pump, and now I can hear the system kicking on. So right now, you can hear the system firing and heating up the hot water, which I just didn't have off, so I just got myself.